Hi everyone, this is Kale. Today in this clip, we will focus on our reading comprehension for beginners week 6. I'm going to show you the text and I will read it slowly and then make sure that I will pause in between so you can take your turn to read the text. Today our story is about the giant carrot. This is a beginning level just as you know. But before I start the reading part, I would like to go over some vocabularies which you may find in the text. The first word is giant. Giant. Giant is an adjective. It means very big. For example, this is a giant watermelon. The next word is top. Top is the height or uppermost part of something. I'm touching my top of my head. I'm touching the top of my head. For example, the boy is on top of the slide. The next word is pour. Pour. To pour means you give a force on some things, so you can cause the movement towards you. Pouring. For example, the boy is pulling the wagon. The next word is grab. Grab. Grab is a verb. That means you get something quickly. This is a very good word that I think it's easy for you to memorize because we do have, beside the taxi service in Vietnam, you have Grab service. And I like this service when I was in Vietnam. It's very quick and convenient and affordable. Grab. Okay, so it is time to dive into the lesson. Listen carefully and repeat after me. The giant carrot. Grandfather likes to work in his garden. He grew rows and rows of the vegetable he liked best, carrots. Grandfather saw one carrot that was much bigger than all the others. The green top of the carrot was as tall as grandfather. Grandfather grabbed the carrot top and pulled. He pulled very hard. The giant carrot would not come out of the ground. Grandfather called grandmother and asked her to help. Grandmother came to the garden and pulled on grandfather. Grandfather put on the carrot top. The giant carrot still would not come out. Grandmother called to her cat and asked it to help. The cat came to the garden and put on grandmother. Grandmother put on grandfather. Grandfather put on the carrot top. The giant carrot still would not come out. The cat saw a little gray mouse and asked it to help. The mouse put on grandmother's cat. The cat put on grandmother. Grandmother put on grandfather. Grandfather put on the carrot top. They pulled and pulled, and the giant carrot finally came out. Now that you read that information about the giant carrot, I have some questions for you. I'm gonna give you some time to think about the questions and the answers. And then I will let you know what they are. Question number 1. Where did grandfather like to work? 1. In school. 2. In his garden. 3. In the farm. 4. In the backyard. Write your answer in the chat below. Your answer should be in his garden, which is number 2. Question number 2. What vegetable did grandfather like best? 1. Carrots. 2. Tomatoes. 3. Cauliflowers. 4. Onions. Write your answer in the chat below if you're ready. Your answer should be carrots. Question number 3. What was grandfather's problem? 1. He got injured. 2. He could not pull the giant carrot out of the ground. 3. He was tired. 4. No one helped him. Please write your answer in the chat below. Your answer should be 2. He could not pull the giant carrot out of the ground. Question number 4. How did grandfather get the giant carrot out of the ground? 1. By himself. 2. With his wife's help. 3. With the help of grandmother, the cat, and the mouse. 4. With the cat's help. Please write your answer in the chat below. Your answer should be with the help of grandmother, the cat, and the mouse. Good job. Well done. That is about our story this week, The Giant Carrot. I hope you like the story and now you can read and understand by answering the question. Through the story, we learn that sometimes, somewhere in life, we cannot do things by ourselves. We need help. Well, in your daily life, if you need help, please ask for help. And I will see you next week. Don't forget to follow me for the upcoming practice. Bye-bye.